You guys know me और आप सबको पता है कि my heart lies in two things. पहला तो pairing different pieces together to create a new outfit और दूसरा अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना फेस्टिवल्स पे. So अब तक तो आप गेस कर चुके होंगे कि मैं यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ. I'm in my hometown to celebrate Diwali with my family, and before I do that, I'm here at Phoenix Palacio because I've heard a lot about this place and I was quite curious. So let's see.
So we've all stayed indoors so much and everybody needs a break. When I heard that Phoenix Palacio is offering so many festive offers, I couldn't resist myself from coming here. So let me take you through all the festive offers that they have. Come. So as a makeup professional, I am very picky about what I use on my body. And this place has something for everyone. So do check this out.
Reaching the end screen of Netflix, it was time that I stepped outside the house. And now that things are opening up, movie and PJs are always fun. But there's nothing better than a movie at the theatre. I was scared about my safety, but this makes me feel protected.
So Diwali is round the corner and I completely forgot to shop for my friends and family. So here I am at Phoenix Palacio shopping for my Indian clothes at Meena Bazaar. Come, let's check it out. So I'm super happy कि लखनऊ में इतने सारे brands हैं and I'm so excited to shop for my Diwali outfits.
I finished the entire tub. Now that's what you call a movie.
So finally Diwali shopping is over. अब चलते हैं jewelry की तरफ. Come on, let's go.
Oh my god, I'm so confused. I mean, this is the best place to shop पूरे लखनऊ में. This place has everything. Like literally everything.
So I can't believe लखनऊ में इतने सारे अच्छे showrooms हैं. I did my festival shopping under one roof.
Came here for a movie, but damn, these offers are so amazing that I couldn't stop myself from getting all the Diwali goodies from Phoenix Palacio.
offers. If you're from Lucknow and also love beauty brands like me, you should definitely come here. This is your place. Also, I want to tell you that if you shop for 5,000, you can win rewards worth $1 million. $1 million. So what are you waiting for? You should come here.